Alright, now we just gotta fix the other side.
Now zippy.
Zippy. Kevin, why are you scared, buddy? It's not a gun.
Wee.
Alright, what you need? Rocks or wood?
Rock.
Rock lobster? Help? You were in your menu.
Are you?
There's a fingers over there. I don't want to deal with him. Oh. Alright, hold on. This guy. Anything down here now?
Oh.
Alright, alright. Oh.
Oh,
Uh,
oh no.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh shit.
It's okay. I'm in the water. There's a lot of logs down here. I found every single thing that's fallen through the map so far.
Where are you?
And I'm so sorry. I'm directly below you.
I see that. But what's it like down there?
Uh, there's a lot of trees. I'm just gonna pop up the Discord stream. There's gotta be a cave I can sneak into now, right? So, how's it hanging?
Hmm.
I'm a good
Might.
while down here, too.
Yeah.
So, I think I can... I'm just gonna swim this way and see if it spits me... Am I in the ocean water?
Yeah, probably.
I'll let you know if there's any treasure chests hidden down here.
I wonder if there are sharks.
That would be incredible.
It's a good auto kill solution.
The one we don't think about.
One you don't think about. I'm thinking about it.
Well, if you look around me, like if I go underwater, oh, it's dark. It darky. Now is not the time to be thirsty. Okay, so yeah, you see all the logs and stuff down there?
Yeah.
I want to see if I can swim to safety.
Hmm.
I like how we were just talking about how much better this game is to Tom, and I immediately go flying and fall into the map in the same hour.
Listen, the game is beautiful, okay?
I'm in a great view of it, yeah.
I can forgive some things.
I can't tell if that rock is on the same plane as me. It looks like I could just pop through, hopefully. Is this sled still there?
Yeah.
You said yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't lose anything important, just me.
No comment.
Alright, I'm now swimming under the water. Come on. You know you want... Yes, yep. Alright. I'm through. We're good. We're good.
Wow.